Under physical layer, we are going to talk about different transmission media, like is a wired media, like different types of cables, what we normally use in our day-to-day networking. In each and every layer, we are going to talk about the technologies and functions, responsibilities, how it functions, how it works with respect to data communication. This is a 3 marks question. You have to answer any 5, that is for 15 marks. Dear students, welcome to Computer Science classes. I am Ravi Kumar KR, lecturer in Computer Science, Vidhyaashram First Grade College, Temple of Excellence, MYSURU. Students, let us start our discussion with the introduction to the paper Computer Networks. This is a paper prescribed by University of Mysore for second year and third semester students. So the paper is Computer Networks. So in this session, let us discuss about the syllabus for second year, third semester BCA students. So here your syllabus is divided into 3 units, unit 1, 2 and unit 3. So this is learning outcome. At the end of the course, students must be able to understand the different transmission techniques in the field of computer science and apply basic data communication and various types of computer networks, internal world applications, and compare different layers of protocols and compare the key networking protocols and the hierarchy relationship in the conceptual model like TCP/IP and OSI reference model. So, at the end of the course or the end of the syllabus, the student must be in a position to identify or to know or to get the knowledge of networking and different technologies and to apply their knowledge in the real world applications. So let us start with the unit 1. So in the unit 1, we are going to learn the basic introduction to computer networks and applications. We are going to learn the definition of computer network and what are its applications and what is network structure and architecture. And apart from that, we are going to learn or discuss the different network topologies like star topology, ring topologies, and bus topologies, and different types of network like LAN, WAN, and MAN. And after that, we are going to learn the OSI and TCP/IP reference model of networking. So this is in chapter 1, we are going to learn the basics of networking. Next, we are going to discuss the one of the layer, that is physical layer of OSI reference model. As OSI reference model, it is a 7-layer model. So entire syllabus we are going to learn the in detail about the function and protocols, everything of different layers of OSI reference model. So in the unit 1, we are going to learn about the physical layer. Under physical layer, we are going to talk about different transmission media, like is a wired media, like different types of cables, what we normally use in our day-to-day networking applications. There's coaxial cable, optical fiber, and apart from this, we talk about wireless networking or wireless communication with different technologies, microwave, infrared, and everything, and switching technologies like message switching and multiplexing. See, these are all the different topics to be covered in the chapter 2, that is physical layer, and we are going to cover concepts. Now, in the unit 2, second unit, that is, we are going to talk about data link layer. So, in data link layer, we are going to talk about designing issues, error detection, and there are different types of error detection. They are single parity checking, checksum, and polynomial codes. That is but CRC. So these are all we are going to learn about different types of error checking mechanism or technologies under data link layer. And apart from that, Hamming code and elementary data link protocols, sliding window protocols. See, these are the topics to be covered in the unit 2, that is under data link layer. And again, another chapter is network layer. In network layer, we are going to talk about the design issues, routing algorithm, and we have different types of routing algorithm, hierarchical and link state routing, and what is network congestion and control algorithms, and all these are different technologies in we are going to learn under the network layer, that is in unit 2. Now in unit 3 we are going to talk about rest of the layers, that is transport layer, presentation layer and application layer. So in each and every layer we are going to talk about the technologies and functions, responsibilities, how it functions, how it works with respect to data communication, along with different protocols in each and every layer of voice reference model. So on a transport layer we are going to talk about what are the elements of transport service and different protocols, internet transport protocol, that is we can discuss about TCP and UDP protocols. Then presentation layer, this is we are going to learn the definition, responsibility, functions and protocols. And application layer, we are going to have a DNS, that is domain name service, and email, electronic mailing, and www, that is World Wide Web. See, these are the concepts to be discussed in unit 3. Now let us see what are the question paper pattern for the paper computer networks. So here the total theory paper is for 60 marks. So the 60 marks is divided into section part A and part B. So part A, here there is a 15 marks question. You have to answer any 3 questions, and that is for 45 marks. And you will be having internal choice for each and every unit and questions. And part B, this is a 3 marks question. You have to answer any 5, that is for 15 marks. So total theory paper is 45 plus 15, it is 60. So this computer networks theory paper, it is for 60 marks as far as internals are concerned. So here internal is for 40 marks. So here we are going to have internal 1 and internal 2. There are 2 internals, and that is for 30 marks, and another 10 marks for your viva, assignment, seminar and presentation. So totally the internal is for 40 marks. This is how we have divided the internals into different sections. This is for 40 marks. Next we will see what are all the reference material for this chapter or for the paper computer networks. So here these are different authors. Computer networks, this is from Andrew S. and 5th edition from Pearson Education Publications. And data communication networking, this is 3rd edition from Tata McGraw-Hill, that is a publication. And data and computer communications, William Stallings, 10th edition. This is from Pearson Education, that is the publisher. See, these are all different reference books. You can be referred for the paper computer networks. So, as far as syllabus is concerned, for second year, third semester, entire syllabus is divided into 3 units, and each and every unit we are going to learn computer networking definitions, basics, topologies, and different types of networking, and so on. And along with that, we are going to learn the OSI reference model and TCP/IP reference model. See, OSI reference model, it is a 7-layer reference model. So, entire syllabus, we are going to discuss each and every model with the functions and responsibilities. Students, let us continue our discussion in my next session. Thank you so much.